The purpose of this tutorial is to show you the initial setup of the Cipherise app. I'm going to assume that you've already downloaded the app from either the App Store or Google Play. Upon the first opening of the app, you'll see a request for the ability to send notifications. This is needed for Cipherise to function properly, so go ahead and allow that. Next, you'll be asked to create your password. Cipherise passwords are not like the normal complex passwords required by most systems. Because of the unique one-tick keyboard and the fact that the password is stored on and never leaves your device, it can be simple. It only needs to be 5 characters long. It can even be a PIN number. And the great thing about Cipherise is you will only very rarely have to enter this password at all, and unless you share it, you should never have to change it. So I'll go ahead and create the password now by pressing Get Started and Begin. This is the one-tick interface. It looks different, but it's incredibly simple to use. Just press the tile that contains the number or letter you need. As an example, I'm going to use the word Marvel as my password. So to do that, I press purple, orange, blue, blue, green, and purple, and next. Cipherise asks you to input your password 3 times. This is because each of the tiles you are pressing has 6 characters on it. So Cipherise needs to work out what your password is. So once again, as the keypad has changed, I press blue, orange, blue, green, orange, and yellow. And next. And finally, orange, red, green, blue, yellow, and green. And next. At this point, you can set up a recovery question if you think you'll need one, or you can do this at a later point in time. So I'm going to press Done and skip this step for now. There are some more advanced features that you can use when creating your password, such as wildcards, that make this feature even more secure, but I'll show those in another tutorial. To complete the setup, we'll quickly go to the scanning page. You can access the scanner by pressing the scan icon at the top right, or by pressing the scan icon in the large orange dot, which is movable. You can drag it and drop it around the screen, or simply by swiping from right to left. Upon first accessing the scanning screen, Cipherise will request access to the camera. This is required for Cipherise to function properly, so go ahead and allow that. And that's it, setup complete. You can now enroll to your first service. I hope you found this tutorial useful. We'll be adding more video tutorials over time, so if you need more assistance, please check the developer.cipherise.com website or reach out to our support desk via email at the address support@40code.com. Thanks for your interest in Cipherise.